All right, so this lesson is about how Stalin rose to power. It's the beginning of our third unit. So, for vocabulary, zoom in, here we go. So we have communism or command economy, which is basically the idea of having a classless society. So if you look at this image, right, you have two cows, the state takes both and gives you some milk. The idea behind that is that you don't need these cows. These cows are going to make you money. What you need is milk, right? So it's the idea of like taking away anything that someone owns personally and making it part of um, the government, right? Owned by the government. So people aren't allowed to own businesses or property. Instead, they everything is distributed by the government. So if you had land, they would take that. If you owned homes, they would take that. You could still live there, but you no longer owned it. And this is what came after the Russian Revolution, which was a political overthrow of the Russian monarchy by the Bolshevik Party or the Working Class Party. Um, it was led by Vladimir Lenin, who created the world's first communist nation. Russia becomes the USSR or the Soviet Union. And once Lenin dies, this guy Stalin takes over, and he is also a communist dictator. Once you are done, you can click on this Edpuzzle video. Make sure you type in your name so that I know who you are, because you won't have to log in. So it's an open class, and you can just type your name. Another reminder of how we do expanded sentences. And then you can go in, look at the model, and complete the expanded sentences independently. Make sure to do the wrap up.